So right now I'm camped up on the Buckland River. So just got dinner undergo there. You have Jake and Ben and Ben's brother. And I've just had a few showers of rain, so I've just popped the stove in underneath the awning of the tent. But it's, yeah, just after Christmas. Just up here for a couple of nights and then just relaxing. But of course it's raining again. I could pop this 270 awning out, but not going to bother.
I came from the mud, there's dirt on my hands. Strong like a tree, there's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down soon.
Good morning, so it's Friday morning. It's after 7:30 now. I've just been throwing a ball to the dogs and got the coffee on, and then we'll cook up some brekkie.
Hope they won't shoot me down soon. They sing on a sleepless night. Try to catch me howling at the moon.
So this weekend there's 5 dogs here. So we've got Scout, Rocky, Annie, little pup Kelpie, we've got Meg and Mindy, and we also have a new pup Ruth. So yeah, the 5 dogs have been going running around, having a ball, wearing each other out, so it's pretty cool. This morning we've just been throwing the ball to them for a bit. There's quite a few dogs at other camps, so we did that quite early, so we weren't disturbing any other dogs running down and around and stuff like that, and they're all just having some breakfast now. And I might go for a walk out along the river, just along the road there, check out a few spots. Righto, so not a whole lot much more to report from this morning. We're just kicking it back around camp, but we're at Leinster's campsite at the moment. I did camp here almost 12 months ago. One dead match. So this morning I'm going all out for my brekkie. Putting a sausage in with the bacon and eggs, so yep, taking it to the next level again. Those that you've been watching will understand. You know, it's not a cooking show, but you'll understand what I'm talking about. Looking forward to this brekkie before the flies start caning this as well. So they've just come out a bit now, the sun's burning off the cloud. The dog's trying to hide from the flies under the trailer as well. Righto, so dinner's underway. We had a bit of fun down the river today. All the dogs are down there, all the pups are down there. They've all run around. They're all pretty tired after the last couple of days running around and swimming. Even Scout's quite worn out, so that takes a bit of an effort. But yeah, just got dinner underway now, and then we'll just kick back tonight around the fire. It's been an awesome couple of days just sitting around, just catching up with everyone over the holiday period. Good morning. So it's now 20 to 8 or so. Been up for quite a while, and the sun's just gone over the top of the hill there, so everything's starting to dry out. It's about to start cooking up some bacon and eggs for brekkie, and then I'll slowly start packing up. Probably head off a bit before lunchtime today, make my way back home. So I got a fairly decent drive back home today, but yeah, head home. It's Friday today, so I'll get home for the weekend. But yeah, awesome night last night. We just sat around the fire, kicked back and relaxed. And this morning the dogs have just been running around like crazy again, trying to wear these pups out. You can hear them in the background there, still playing away there. All right, time to start cooking some brekkie.
It's hard to ignore. This way is down on me. You've got me on my knees. Won't you give me sweetness?
Yeah, just packing up. Yeah, that's fine. Alrighty, so I'm just going to wrap up this quick weekend trip up here. So 3 days and a couple of nights up here in the Buckland Valley. I'll just hit the bitumen now and I'm just cruising back out towards Myrtleford and make my way back home. But thanks so much for watching and safe travels for 2020, the rest of 2024, and I will see you all around somewhere. Cheers.